while I didn't have the power of my job role, while my job role was an assisting job role, bottom of the rung, that's when I specifically felt like that not having the professional freedom plus being a female, that was a disadvantage. It was just something that it's so subtle because I've never really experienced anything explicit. It's just the looks, the treatment, the body language, the soft skills in the environment that were lacking or mismatching. So I felt like that people don't really want to engage with me or talk to me, or that I'm like when you're just a fly on the wall and people don't really acknowledge that you're in the room.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I felt like.
Okay.
Well, as if now that I have the professional backup, that my job role is an HOD role, and I show up in the room with a sense of commanding attention is not the right word for it, just a sense of agency.
Okay.
And the presence that I know what I'm here to do, and I'm technically the voice of the set. And if being a first AD is a very interesting relationship with other departments, because if you really think about it, I could potentially be the boss of almost every single department. Because at the end of the day, we are the ones setting the pace. It's not true. Every single department is equal, and every HOD is on an equal level. But if you really think about the mechanics of a shoot on a set with good set ethics, it's the first AD who says what to do and when to do. So technically, other departments are marching to our tempo. We're the conductors.
Yeah, I completely understand that. Makes sense. Yeah.
Exactly. So when I show up with that presence, I don't get sexism anymore. While I didn't have that power or that freedom, I did sense that, oh, she's just the girl. Just me.
Yeah, and that has now changed over time now, which is obviously positive.
Definitely. I mean, there's so many. I mean, nowadays sometimes we make a statement out of it that it's an all-female crew or a predominantly female crew, which is kind of correcting the curve. Not always the best decision. But genuinely, the split in the industry with having more and more female HODs or females in power position, that has radically shifted. I shot a lot with female directors, female DPs, in production design, in makeup, costume, females has always been kind of equal or even more. But in more male heavy departments, I'm working with more and more females.